Hi guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook page name, right? So basically you have to just go to the Facebook mobile application here and just click on the three horizontal line which is on top right side corner. And I'm already in my page profile. So if you're not able to find your page profile, basically you have to just you can see this is my ID and this is my page, right? So you can just transfer from here or you can just change your profile, right? And after that if you just want to you go to page, you can just go to the page section which is here, and I will just refresh it out. Okay, and guys, here you can see one of the my page, so I will just click on here, and here we have to find the edit option. Okay, so right now guys, in the new update you will not able to find the edit option where you can change the name of your page. So basically it is not possible from the mobile application of Facebook. So we have to just go to the, you have to just minimize, and you have to use the Chrome browser or Safari or any of the browser you use, and here we have to type Facebook. Okay, and we have to just log in into it. Here we have came into the Facebook and we will just log in into the Facebook account. So guys, basically you can see here on the search bar it is still in the M. Okay, so we have to just click on here, then we have to click on the pencil icon, and in the we have to just erase the M and we have to just type www and just hit the enter. Okay, so basically this will open in the web version, then we have to just click on here, and after that we have to convert this account. We have to just go to the setting, and after going to the setting it will just take a few seconds, and here we have to click on the personal information, and here we have to just open in the Chrome browser only. Okay, and it is in the M, and basically just click on the name, and here you can change your page name, right? So this is pretty easy guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video.